Namaste everyone. My name is Rajat Verma and I am from grade 8. I am presenting my AI powered car mechanic. Nowadays, vehicle accidents are the main causing of the deaths for the peoples. But there are no ways found to stop it or to prevent it because many of the drivers speed fast or they don't see the front way. And many of the vehicles also burst out because the mechanics cannot find out the minor problem that can cause a bigger accidents. This is my robo mechanic. About this AI car. AI car is a robot that may help you in everyday vehicle consumption or any type of accidents. It can sense any of the minor problems that can make the vehicle burst out or can make it the big failure. It has a chip that you will be proceeding in your car or any vehicle, that if the car is bursting or it is gonna burst in further distance, it can sense it and then can tell the government or any police, and it can also go and manage it. Objective of creating this is to prevent many of the accidents caused by minor problems in the vehicles. This AI car can also having an X-ray camera that will scan it and collect the data that if there is something missing out or there is something that can cause accident. Why should we build it? We should build it to prevent many of the accidents, and it can also scan an aeroplane, and now this Orissa accident killed many of the people. It can also sense that where is that train or where is an aeroplane gonna crash or gonna burst. How did I get this idea? First, I got to know about AI, that what is AI, how it works, and then I researched on some of the topics, and I find out that many of the deaths are causing by accidents, and then I gonna proceed for this to make this AI car. What does AI car do? It can detect any minor problem that can be huge enough to get an accident, and it can fix an aeroplane in just a half hour by using its mechanism. It can also be adapted as a normal vehicle to reach any of the far distance. It can sense the farthest or the nearby vehicles so that it doesn't go further and got an accident. Framework. First, the AI car needs data collection. First it will scan and it will collect the data of how the vehicle looks, what are the vehicle parts, and what do it needs to fix. Then data processing. We will do the data processing as these are the parts of a vehicle, these are the main parts, these are the minor problems caused, and how to fix a tire and everything. Model evaluation. For then we will collect the model and we will train it, and we will also monitor it and how it will work, and how we will also test that in a small vehicle that how it will be working or how the camera is working or not.